Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Retro Refirb number 3, Firefly. She came to me in not so great condition. Her blush was kind of gone. She had some marks on her body. But the main thing was, her cutie marks were gone. Only the shadow of them remained. Her tail was gone, and half of her mane was gone too. We had a lot of work cut out for us. So in we went with a standard scrub down. This is just Dawn detergent and water, and a soft bristle toothbrush. Next, we pulled out the acetone. This will take off most of the surface marks. Next, we went in for the cutie marks. This was going to be quite the paint job. You could only see the shadow of where they used to be. For this part, I am using some watered down metallic paint. And I'm just trying to go over and match the shadow of the cutie mark that I see there. It's always best with acrylic paints to use many layers that have been watered down. After I've done a few layers of the metallic paint, I come back with some Dragonfly top coat, which is a color shifting glitter top coat. It's the white that you can see in my palette there. And that's going to go on top of the blue, and the result is impressive, I have to say. Next, I will take a hank of doll hair that I have zip tied together in the center of it, and I pull through the tail hole. This is my favorite part of redoing these ponies. It's so easy, it's so gratifying when it's done. You have this nice tail afterwards. Then we have to remove the hair from inside the head. I, of course, have no choice but to rehair this pony. Half of the mane is gone, and the hair that's remaining is not in great condition. So first I want to cut it really short on the outside. And then you have to go in the inside with a pair of needle nose pliers and pull out those hair plugs. they're glued inside there, so the only real way to get them out is if the head is off and you go from the inside. Before I reroute the mane though, I want to take care of this blush on her face. It's missing a little bit in the center here, so I'm just going to take a cotton ball. It's not a cotton ball, that's a Q-tip. I'm just going to take a Q-tip and just kind of dab on some color there. I end up taking it mostly away because I really just want a little blush there. I don't want true color there. We're just going to fill in that little gap that was lost somehow over time. And here is my least favorite part. I never record myself fully redoing the mane because it's so frustrating. It's my frustration nation. But this is how she turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below, guys. Like and subscribe. I hope you had fun, and I will see you next time.